Here, John, I'll get one. Look at that. Go on the other side. Go on, put that down.
Well, toys for Christmas gift. Somebody like it?
You videotape with the camera?
Yeah, just wants to videotape me playing with this bowl.
Right there when you shot him. Supposed to come out.
Good, that side.
Maybe I should tape him. I'm going to. Video camera won't. No power.
No?
No.
Well, the battery light looking like that.
Well, it's on. We got hooked to the power inverter, but.
Maybe because the GP's turned off.
Yeah, probably.
Could be.
Yeah, I know my stuff like that. You can hold the high a little bit once you pull back.
Oh no, we'll just get these. Just put it out here.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Try to get it to reach back. Our battery won't hold charge on it anymore.
You must have a power outlet in the back too, don't you? Oh.
I don't think so. There's no power outlet in the back, eh, John?
Yeah, I think so.
Where?
Is that trail rated, that Jeep?
Yeah?
Yeah, there should be one in the back there along the side somewhere. Usually one of them panels or something, I think. I could be mistaken.
But the crow's starting already and they don't even know where it is yet.
Nope, they can smell it.
Oh yeah. But they don't break down and start picking.
They won't over here.
Yeah. We'll wait for leftovers.
Can't blame them. Free meal.
Oh yeah, they're
But quite a meal.
You won't be more worried about it. The packed guys come up now.
Nope.
Comes on the
Don't
player.
worry about them. We
You
got
got the
bullets
gun
in our
anyway.
bunkers.
Yeah. Back to the woods, bunch of them coming.
It's just cowardly.
They'll come up just as quick as they come.
Yeah.
You got to put up the camera power?
Jeez. Yeah.
I got my rain jacket for you, so. The one right there in the back there.
I know.
Where's your jacket, D?
It's in there in the back.
Blood coming out of his nose and his mouth.
That's fucking ugly creatures, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
The creatures with Was I telling you that Jane always makes meat pies at Christmas time?
Yeah, you
Family
said.
tradition?
You're saying that she makes
That's the main ingredient right there. That good.
Just be on that side, just flip your back probably.
Right, I didn't
No, no, just hold it out.
First, you should grab it. Now it's just pork and fish.
Yeah, I think they come over here.
Jump.
Right, look at the air.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So much is test on. One
Can't stand it?
You want your smell of it?
Oh yeah. I remember breathing my mouth, not my nose.
Lots of wood around here, guys.
Chunk of wood or anything? Rock?
You okay?
Yeah. Just getting the whiff of it. Oh. Goodness. Entrance. Oh my god.
How big of a junk you want? There's always something there.
How big of a chunk do you want?
How long?
How big and how
Oh,
long
just
a
for a
chunk?
club. Beat that knife.